Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And today I will be sharing with you 4 ways to cook a fried rice. Yes, that's right. It's time for you to learn 4 different ways to cook a fried rice. So I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Let's check out the ingredients. Cooked rice, eggs, mixed veggies, luncheon meat, Chinese sausage, green onions, Delish PH flavored bagoong, onions, garlic, and Calamansi Extract. watching this video, and for the complete recipe details, please check on this video description. And if you have any suggestions or recommendation or any recipe request, recipes that you want me to prepare next time, just drop in a comment below and I'll be happy to check them out. And again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure to click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. And you can also follow and like us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you wanted to check out more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. I would also want to thank Masflex for all the cookware and kitchenware that we're using on this video, and I will put a link on this video description so you can check out their products. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Masflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.